As you all may know, video games have come a long way in coming as close as possible to having real-world physics implemented within them. However, there's always some subtle things that you might notice aren't aligned with the structure of real-world physics. For example, if we look a little bit closer, we may be able to spot one of the minute differences that... Okay, what the fu- Okay, there's something's wrong here. What the what? How? Okay, really? You gotta be kidding me. What is even going on? Ah! Hold up, buckaroo. This is just screwed up. How can a video game be so unrealistic? This is ridiculous. Are you trying to tell me that people allow this kind of filth on the video game market? Okay, I need a second. Hang on. Okay, so you may be wondering, why does this matter? Why can't you just let people enjoy a game because it's fun and not get on it for being too unrealistic? You wanna know why? It's because this type of filth is what's making Neutron roll in his grave. It's malignant disrespect towards those pairs that tried to punch him or whatever. You know, the ones that kind of invented physics. You know what? How about this? How about I just go through some examples of what's so wrong here? Yeah, let's do that. Double jumping is a subject that constantly plagues my mind. Like, how do they do it? What unnatural secrets enable those within video games to double jump? I tried to figure it out, but it just doesn't work. Despite my graduate quality research on the subject, I can't figure out how it can be physically possible. Drawing out the forces of Hat Kid here, we can see that there's no forces that are acting in a way that should be able to accelerate Hat Kid's upwards in the fashion shown here. There doesn't seem to be anything she's pushing off of, or any other external force acting on her, so like, what the hell? You know, I'm starting to think it's actually not physically possible. Going on to the next of these major problems that are detrimental to society and constantly threaten the safety of our sanity is the umbrella jump. This jump off of the umbrella is a similar issue to the double jump as it regards a similar subject. We see here that Hat Kid jumps onto the umbrella with a certain amount of energy and has an elastic collision with the umbrella. However, she gets way more energy from the umbrella than she even had in the first place. The umbrella didn't move or push her or anything, so how does this work? Drawing out the forces again, it just doesn't add up. Something's not right with these physics. During a battle with a sentient Outhouse, some pretty weird things happened. At one point, a giant apple bomb thing manifests out of seemingly nowhere. Now, what's wrong with that, you may ask? Is that such an abnormal thing? Yeah, I think so. I think it is. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, and since E equals mc squared, mass can be equivalated to energy. By that logic, this thing can't just pop out of nowhere. It's just not physically possible. But it did. And that's why you can never trust sentient toilets. Alright, so to bring this whole thing to a close, existence is a lie, Hat Kid is actually the bad guy from that one episode of Scooby-Doo, and there's no such thing as ghosts.